What's up, YouTube? Demonic here today. And today we're playing some Animal Crossing New Horizons. I've got 2 other save files, but I'm going to do a new game today. So, good afternoon. We're so excited to have you here. Welcome to the check-in counter of your big moving day trip to paradise. There's so much to look forward to, but first, let us introduce ourselves. I'm Timmy with Nook Inc. And I'm Tommy. The 2 of us are already living on paradise where they're there to support everyone, including you. Thank you for thinking of us partners. Now let's walk through the steps and get you moved in onto the island. The first step is to check your application. Yes, it is. Name and birthday. Alright. So I'm just gonna make a weird name. We'll name him Billy. No, we're not gonna name him Billy. We're gonna name him Bob. Now let's rethink it. Alright, I had a hard time coming up with a name and whatnot. But we're going to you'll see what the name is once we get to the island. The chartered flight to paradise is ready for boarding. Any customers wanting to board should make their way to the gate at this time. Perfect timing. Alright, so we actually gave him a birthday, and we gave him a name, and it's actually productive. You'll see what the other houses are and things once we get there. But I don't know where I'm going to be able to put my dude's house. Eventually I may relocate it just because it'll be better once I relocate it. But for right now, I'm going to have to kind of figure out where I can put it just to make it doable, if that makes sense. I'll have to do what I'll have to do with for a while. But for right now, we're going to go around doing what we need to do. I'm not going to skip this, because there's not a whole lot I'll be able to really do with the housing things today. But I'll be able to get some stuff where I can be like, I need to get this, or I can do this or whatever. And you'll see. Paradise. Welcome to Animal Crossing New Horizons. Yeah, I got a ton of flowers on my island. It's freaking ridiculous. It's beyond dumb how many I have. Welcome to paradise. Hope you're enjoying your flight. Yeah. So now I gotta go talk to Tom Nook, but President Nook, I've got Spike here. Yes, very good. Hello. So you're our new resident, Spike. Welcome to paradise. I am Tom Nook, manager of this island and president and CEO of Nook Incorporated. Originally, it was a deserted island, so Nook Inc. offered a deserted island getaway package. We're a lot less deserted now, but we still accept new residents. Now, Spike, as the matter of where you'll rest your sleepy head at night. With a little comfort and are terribly sorry for the slight mix up, yada yada. Set up your tent. Yeah, well, I know exactly where I'm going to put the tent for right now. And this is your own Nook phone. Wanted to make sure it's working, right? You're a goober, Tom Nook. I swear you're like Satan. Rick, have you? Sure have. Have my own. Yeah, I know how to freaking do this. Yeah. Because not everybody's used a smartphone. Yes, please. Just let him explain it. Yeah. Because then it's something else I can get to. Island Life 101. Itemized bill. Yeah. 49,800 bells. Okay? Like I give a shit what you gotta say, Nook. I don't care what you have to say, Mr. Nook. Nook mileage. Nook mileage, what's that? We'll just do mileage, because I don't give a crap about all that. Yeah, you and your 5,000 miles. Yeah. Like, I don't know how he translates nearly 50K into 5,000 miles. Like, that's horrendous. It's ridiculous. It's like how my new life is underway. I can't wait to do whatever I want. Woohoo! Alright. From now on, your life here will be automatically recorded via autosave. Do not touch the power button when you see the autosave indicator. Yeah, I know. So I gotta open this up. Yeah, I know. Thank you. Just for getting started, I get miles. Got bugs, got togetherness, got all this other stuff. It's all the camera, the Critterpedia, the map, all that stuff. I got flowers galore. That's kind of ridiculous that I have that many flowers. But I know, like I said, I know exactly where I'm going to put this dude's house. And it's going to be kind of like right in this area. It's going to be, actually, it's going to be, yeah. So, wait. So yeah, it'll be relatively close to my house then. Ah, Jesus. So I'll probably put it kind of right in this area somewhere. Let's see, can I place it? Yeah, it'll be fine, because let me imagine it. Just because then I won't have to. Yeah, because I'm right in the middle of the trees. That's fine. Woo! I set up my tent. Now I have a home home base for my new island life. So yeah. And now for me, I can't really do too much because now I got presents. Nintendo gave me a couple of things actually. And then so I can open these. Got a leaf statue, got a paradise planting photo, and got a simple do-it-yourself workbench, which I can't learn them yet because, well, I don't have a way to memorize them. And I'll actually show you what the leaf thing is here. This was the thing I got, this little leaf thing right here. And as you can tell, it's a light. So once I'm able to get a net and things and a fishing rod, then I can actually do things. Okay. Yeah, you get your freaking douches. I just want to, because, see, they got, like, stuff that's worth, like, $2,500 for a fishing pole. It's like, you guys freaking blow. Okay. Right now I just kind of have to talk to people. Tourists. Canberra. Paradise. Thank you. So actually where I need to go first is to actually talk to Lookout KK. I need to go Spike. Welcome to the resident service for Island Business Isabel. We'll be happy to assist you. One more thing that's important. I'm offering a do-it-yourself workshop. Okay. See, I don't have a way to memorize it yet. That'll be the end of this video. I will see you guys in the next one. If you guys like the video, like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.